Hey guys, welcome to Deborah's Delicious Dishes Kitchen here in Orange, New Jersey, giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day wouldn't you agree. Guys, you hear that pork crackling and cooking, right? Um, Making dinner for a special new addition to our family. Um, Very nice friend. Making her a nice meal today. This is pork shoulder. Then I have some collard greens, turnip, and cabbage over here with some pancetta. Yeah, getting a little fancy pancetta. Okay, so then I'm going to make that. I have over here, sorry about that, some jerk chicken that I seasoned all night. And I have my little ingredients. You know how your girl do. Got some green onions, scotch bonnet peppers, Jamaican hot peppers, some red onions. I season my meat in a nice jerk spicy seasoning. Then I'm going to put that in the pan. I'm going to fry it a little bit first, like get a coating on it. Then over here, I got some little vegetables that's going into the roast. That's some more pancetta. I have my Coca-Cola down here in my roaster pan. Have some more vegetables and whatnots over here. That's going to go over top of the pork. Then I'm going to make some scalloped potatoes over there. I can make them from scratch, but my back is hurting so bad I'm going with the box. And I'm just going to put my sour cream, milk, butter, and all that stuff in it. All right, guys. So I will show you as I'm going on with this cooking. Guys, when I say these turnip cabbage with pancetta is on point, I really outdid myself. Thank you, Father God. So I'm going to set these aside, and then we're going to get started on the scalloped potatoes and the jerk chicken. Okay, guys, so look at this beautiful piece of art right here. This is the pork roast. So what I did, I had put twine on it, the string, to keep it, put together as I seared it. So I seared it on all sizes. Sorry for the shadow, right? So now I put the ginger garlic stir-fry sauce on it. Now, don't get it twisted, guys. These marinades and these little sauces that you use for stir-frying, you can also use them to marinate your meat and give it that nice oomph, that flavor. So I put some of that on top. I have the whole ground peppercorns on it. I have bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, the ginger came from the sauce, garlic, and I just seasoned it through the night with a little sazon, garlic, and all those nice fresh herbs. So now, guys, I just drizzled some vinegar over it as well to give it that nice little pork bite, like what you would expect from pork, roast pork, right? So now I'm going to put my veggies on top. Just let them fall where they may. They don't all have to be on top. Now, some of those veggies marinated all night. It's going to be cool, guys. It's going to cook, so it's okay. So now I'm putting the rest of my veggies. This is just fresh garlic, apples, limes. Now, so I'm going to put the top over that, and that's going to go in the oven for a good long while. But after it, I see that it started cooking like I wanted to. Then I'm going to take the top off and just let it cook like that. Okay, so I'm going to pop this in the oven. Then we're going to get started on the jerk chicken. Let's get this party started. So I have my chicken. See how seasoned that is? I have thyme in it. And also I put thyme and rosemary on the pork as well. So we just want to let it get a little crisp. I'm putting the skin side down first. Turn that eye up a bit. Now that's some jerk seasoning, guys. I don't want to crowd my pan too much. Let's turn that eye up. Okay, so we're going to let that go, guys, and I'll be back. I'm going to start on the... So, guys, that's the jerk chicken that I'm frying just a little bit. Now I'm going to add salt over here. We're going to come over here. We're going to put some salt to our potatoes, the water for the potatoes. Now I'm going to put this jerk chicken inside of my casserole dish right here. Be right back. Okay, so I just added the potatoes It serves 1 box of Hungry Jacks, serve 5 people. I have 2 boxes because I'm feeding us, my family downstairs. So we're going to let that, the water is boiling on that. We're going to let the potatoes just get a little limp, not soft. And I'm going to take them out. Then I'm going to make my cream sauce on the side. So I'm about to take this chicken up. Okay, guys, this is the jerk chicken. I put the Scotch bonnet. I hope I didn't go too hot because those things are, the jerk seasoning alone is hot. But what I did, I put a little brown sugar in it to kill some of that heat. Okay, so that's the jerk seasoning. I use Walker's Wood, or I'll use what's the other popular one? But anyway, can't think. Grace's. I got this one this time, hot and spicy, and boy, is it hot and spicy. So, okay, for the ones that's not into hot, don't even worry about this kind. But anyway, so I have my chicken in there. Now I'm going to add, I added a little brown sugar with water in the sauce. So we're just going to pour this over. Yeah, I hear Luna out there barking. That crazy stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to put, I have green onions here in the bag. And when I do my meals, I just prep little stuff in here to help me along. Then you could just discard the bags afterwards. You don't have to worry about washing. So that's just, I think that was 1.5 scallions or 2. Okay, anyway, that's that. Then we're going to add our thyme. I soak mine in olive oil just to give it a little more authentic Jamaican flavor. So guys, this is a nice dish. I'm just going to spread out my thyme a little bit. So nobody gets left behind. You know how Miss Debs is. All right, guys. So that's that. I'm going to put this in the oven. I don't even want to put foil on it because I want it to be kind of like dry. All right, so this going in the oven, 350 degrees. Okay, guys, so now I have my scalloped potatoes in the pan. I have butter in it. Then to my sauce over here, I have the 2 seasoning packs that came out the packages because I'm using 2 boxes. One is roasted herb and garlic, and one is cheddar cheese. So I have some Parmesan cheese over here that I'm going to put in. Little garlic, coarse black pepper. Already put the whole milk, a cup of whole milk in there. Now I'm going to put in a cup of pet milk, which is concentrated milk. You know what I mean. The pet milk, evaporated milk. So then I'm going to add some sour cream, mozzarella cheese, and cheddar. So let's get this started. So now we have our milk and our butter. I salted the water, so I don't need to salt this. I added some more milk, which is the evaporated milk. I turned my oven up, my stove top up. Then I'm going to add some garlic. Then I'm going to put in the sour cream, and then I'll start adding my sauce and the cheeses, okay? So let's put the sauce in. Let me take the spoon out of here. Okay, so now we have that in. Now I'm going to add my cheese, my sour cream. So I put in like 3/4 of that. We're going to see how that do once I stir it. I don't want this to stay in too long because it's going in the oven. So we're just going to incorporate it, get all the sour cream all around in the mixture. And now I don't want to put a top on this like foil or anything because the potatoes are already getting soft from the from them boiling for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to use the rest of the sour cream. Didn't mean for that to happen. Okay, so we got the rest of that, guys. Now I'm going to start putting in my cheese. So I'm going to use mozzarella, maybe like a half a cup. I'm going to stir this up, guys. Bear with me because I don't have my tripod. Look at that gooey cheese sauce bubbling. Now, this is a cheat day. This is not for the faint of heart, for real. Not what this is not. Okay, so I'm letting that bubble down. Then I'm going to put it right here in the silver pan. And I'm going to put all the toppings on top, and I'll show you that. All right, guys, this is the turnip greens and the cabbage with pancetta. Now we're going to come over here. This is the scalloped potatoes. And the only thing I have to do now is put them in the oven. I know they look like they're cooked already, right? No, they got to go in the oven. This is the potato salad. Okay, so now I have the jerk chicken in the oven and I have the pork roast in the oven. So that is it, guys. So I will show you the final products. But I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to make for the grand girls because that chicken will be too spicy for Nyla. So I'm going to have to work something out. All right, guys. That's the black peppercorns, the little black balls you see. Here over here, I made this for the girls and their father because they don't eat pork. So that's collard greens with cabbage, different color cabbage and carrots. Season that up really nice for them. Over here, this is the one with the pancetta in it. That's turnip greens and cabbage. Over here, we have the jerk chicken. And you know if your jerk chicken don't look dark, it ain't jerk chicken. All right. And that was done in the oven. I pan fried it a little bit. Then this is the pork like I told you guys. Over here, we have these great scalloped potatoes. So like I said, this is a cheat day for us guys because we have someone coming over and I'm cooking for this person. I know she'll really enjoy it. All right, and for the girls also, because the jerk chicken is probably a little too spicy for them, even though Lele likes hot sauce, and now Nyla beginning to like it. But I think it's a little too spicy for them. So what I did was I did some chicken nuggets, the dinosaur kinds, and I just dipped them in barbecue sauce for Lele and Nyla. And that Stokes barbecue sauce, it came from London, you know, and it tastes so good. Let me show you the bottle. I know my girl Haley from the UK and all the rest of my UK people love this. Maybe they do, but it's Stokes barbecue, and that's when I got that big order that came here. And I ordered for them 2 times since then, guys, but not big quantity like that. And this another one came from London, the HP sauce. All right, so we ain't fell in love with that. Okay, so that is it. Oh, and the potato salad, guys. Hold on. Curry masala's chicken with all types of veggies. Coconut milk seasoning. Brown jasmine rice. I meant to take a picture of this before it got this small, but the family just demolished it.